In this tutorial, I will show you how you as a user can decide whether slides should be inserted into the presentation with the master in which they were stored in the library or adapted to the master of the current presentation in which they will be inserted. The Mpower feature shown here should also be integrated into future versions of Mpower and in some cases already in older Mpower versions. When inserting slides, you can choose whether to insert them with or without a master. The default setting for inserting slides from the library by double-clicking is always without a master, which means that the slide is inserted and the layout is adjusted to the currently open master of the presentation. To demonstrate this to you, I first navigate to the library in the Mpower ribbon by clicking on the library button in the group Start and then to my storage location. Here, this slide is in a different master than the one currently open in the presentation. You can see both options, Insert and Keep Master, at the bottom. But I double-click on the slide. If I would click on the Insert button, the same action would be performed. As you can see, this slide has now been inserted into the presentation and adapted to the currently open master. If you now navigate to the layouts that are available in this presentation, you will notice that no new master has been inserted into the presentation, and only the master with the associated layouts that was already open in the presentation is available. Now, I'll show you the other option to insert slides. If a slide with master is inserted, the layout on which the slide was originally uploaded is preserved. To demonstrate this to you, I will navigate to my slide in the library as before, but now click on the Keep Master button. As you can see, the slide has now been inserted into the same master in which it was saved in the library. Among the existing layouts for slides, there are now two masters with their layouts. You can use this option if, for example, you want to use a third-party master. At the same time, however, you want to insert own company information in its own design on slides. In this particular case, you can use this feature. Slides that are added under the inserted slide with the master inserted will then automatically be adapted to the newly added master. This is the default behavior of PowerPoint in this case and has nothing to do with Mpower. Slides that are added above the inserted slide with the master inserted will be then adapted to the master that was already open in advance. This is also the default behavior of PowerPoint in this case and has nothing to do with Mpower. Feel free to test the function yourself to save valuable time. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.